we're here today is to talk about our ticket vending machines. And it may not seem like such an exciting topic, but as you can see from our picture here, these are the way to get onto the light rail. And one of the things that we found was when we built the system, we built the ticket vending machines at the height that was set as the standard at the time. But times change, and one of the things we didn't know at that time, even though we did coordination, was that it was very difficult for our folks in wheelchairs to be able to put their money in and get their tickets out of it. And we know that more than a quarter of our passengers are transit dependent, and many of them are wheelchair bound, and being able to get that ticket is absolutely necessary. So I'm going to introduce Councilwoman Kate Gallego, who will talk today first. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you for your hard work to make this happen, and for everyone who is here today, and appreciate the State Veterans Department for hosting us and welcoming us. I am Councilwoman Kate Gallego. Last December, I had a seizure and lost my driver's license for several months. So I was blessed to be able to get around with the help of family, but also thankful to have public transit because I really valued my independence and the ability to get around without having someone help me. And one day I was boarding the light rail system and had the pleasure of meeting Master Sergeant John Bradley. And he was getting on at the light rail station near where we are today and asked me if I could put in the money so that he could get his ticket because he couldn't reach it. And I realized that here we have a man who's given so much to our country, injured in Vietnam, and really made huge sacrifices, and we ought to do better, especially at the light rail station near so many veterans services. So I was able to work with Councilwoman Williams and Valley Metro and our city transit department to look at this problem and realize that we could lower the pay station so that great heroes of our community would be able to have the independence that I also valued. Light rail is really such an enabler and such a connector for our community, and to make it easier for everyone to use it is very rewarding and the right thing to do. So I'm very glad that we could do that here today, and very thankful to the Master Sergeant for drawing that to my attention. He has continued to be a great advocate for veterans and has given us a further to-do list for the city of Phoenix and the area. But we really, I think, should be thankful to him for his service to our country and for being willing to stand up for veterans after he's already done so much to our country. So thank you to John. I am a new councilwoman, and when I first met with Councilwoman Williams and she asked what I hoped to accomplish, this was at the top of my list. And she is our transit leader at the city of Phoenix and was able to get this done very quickly. So thank you to Councilwoman Williams. Thank you.
Councilwoman Williams.
Thank you. I was always told when I was young that good things come out of bad. And when you had that seizure, almost all of us had a seizure. New council lady, and voila, we didn't know what was going to transpire. But the good thing that happened was the fact that through your tragedy that you had, you met John, and this was identified as, we had no idea that this was a problem throughout the valley. And I want to thank not only you, Councilwoman, and you, John, but the RPTA and Phoenix staff, because when we brought it to their attention, they immediately began to research it and to fix it. Because one of the things we want is that our system be convenient and easy for everyone to use, and we mean everyone. And we want no exceptions. But like this, we don't often know when there's a problem. So we want to encourage everyone, and you encounter something like this, there's a problem with the system, it doesn't work for your needs, let us know. It's going to cost about $225,000, I think, to go and repair all of these and fix them. But that's a drop in the bucket when you think of the amount of service it provides. And it is a benefit for all the taxpayers. and especially for those that are stuck in a wheelchair. I mean, I can't think of anything that we can help that would make it easier for them to get on and off. And so I really want to thank you, John, for speaking up and saying, we need this fixed. And I thank staff for getting on it, making this happen. It will take a while to get all of them repaired up to the new standard, but I know we will have that done probably before the year's over. And welcome any other suggestions anyone in the public may have to make this a better system, because it's your system. It needs to work for you. Thank you.
So today we're actually in the Arizona State Veterans Home, and I've got to say it's such a lovely facility. And I want to introduce Ted Vogt with the Arizona Veterans, the Arizona Department of Veterans. Thank you, Ted. Come.
Well, thank you all for being here today, and the Councilwoman Gallego and Williams, thank you so much. And John, thank you. You know, I was telling John this morning, he's still taking hills after all these years. Some are bigger than others. This over here is only 6 inches, but that's a big 6 inches for our veterans and for anyone who's using wheelchairs or using the public transportation. Every day I'm amazed by how much the city of Phoenix and the state of Arizona loves and support their veterans, and this is a real tangible example of that. And boy, I don't know if I've seen a solution so quickly implemented. So on behalf of all the veterans here in the state of Arizona, thank you to the city of Phoenix for all that you're doing. And again, John, thanks for speaking up. You're still making things better for all Americans. Thanks so much.
And now I am absolutely honored to introduce Master Sergeant John Bradley, veteran and resident of this home. John, would you like to come up and say a couple of words? It's up to you.
As you can very well see, this microphone wasn't built for a handicapped person. It's got a mind of its own. I was very lucky to have Congressman, the lady, Kate, come and help me with the machine, because I was in a hurry to get someplace, and I could get to the cotton picker thing to get my ticket out of it. And it was giving me more trouble than my ex-wife. So now that this new model will be just great, just looking at it, it's very self-explanatory, and it looks like it'll be easy to use. We'll be glad to see one of them on the next station. And I guess that's enough for me to say.
It's okay. So over the next couple of years, we will be working to lower one of the ticket vending machines at each one of the station entrances. But our first one is going to be at Indian School, so that our veterans here at the Arizona Veterans Home are able to easily use the system. Sometimes it takes just that one comment, and sometimes I think we don't think about how powerful speaking up is. John's interaction with Councilwoman Gallego has made a huge difference for our community. And it takes that stepping up to do so. And I can only say, Master Sergeant, thank you so much for bringing this to our attention. And I'm so glad that we're able to accommodate this and make it easier for our veterans and for our disabled folks. So transit provides that accessibility, that ability for everyone to get where they need to go. And it takes those comments for us to be able to build a better system. So I want to encourage you to provide those comments to the City of Phoenix through our talktransportation.org. In fact, any of you who are here today who would like to sign up for it, you can do so. But we are using that to gather your comments for our community so that we are making sure that transit provides the service that our community really needs. And I want to, again, thank everybody today for being here and being able to let us honor our veterans as well as the rest of our disabled community. Thank you so much.